friends, how are you? Usually we play so many indoor games and nowadays we are playing with text to change the style of the text, to change the size and color of the text. These all are like playing with text. But there is one difference between playing with text and other indoor games, and the difference is that after playing with text, in future we can make our document more beautiful, fast, correct, and in stylish way. So what is the game of nowadays? In future it will be our skill, our art. Okay, so now we start some new game or new topic in MS Word 2010. We start our practical. Our topic is text alignment. The way in which text is placed on a page is called alignment. Okay, there are four kind of alignment: left, centered, right, and justified. First one is left alignment. You can use also shortcut key for this alignment, and shortcut key is Control plus L. Okay, L for left. So for left alignment, shortcut key is Control plus L, and the steps are click on Home tab and click on left alignment command. When we will do it practically, then we can easily understand what are these alignments. Okay, now the next one is centered alignment. Shortcut key is Control plus E. However, centered start for C, but Control plus C is already for copy the text. So the next letter is E. So Control plus E is for centered alignment. The steps are same. Click on Home tab and click on Centered Alignment button. Now the next one is right alignment. Shortcut key Control plus R. R for right alignment. Okay, and the steps are same. Click on Home tab, click on right alignment button, and the last one is justified alignment. Justified alignment is the most useful alignment. We will see in practical. Okay, what is this? And shortcut key is Control plus J. Steps are same. Click on Home tab and that click on Justified button. See class, I have written one poem for you and it is left aligned. Whatever we type on the computer, by default it is left aligned. By default means जो इसकी सेटिंग्स होती है अपने आप वो क्या होती है, लेफ्ट अलाइंड होती है. लेफ्ट अलाइंड मीन्स लेफ्ट अ प्लस लाइन means see, on the left side the all lines are present on one vertical line, so it is called left aligned. Can you see? Okay, so the text is left aligned, and if the texts are not left aligned, then you can set it by the commands. See, first you will click on Home tab. Home tab is already clicked, and these four commands are alignment command. This one left, this one centered, this one right, and this one justified. Or you can use shortcut key for these all four alignment also. Now we will see right alignment. For right alignment or any kind of alignment change, first we have to select the text. Here I will select the text, first paragraph, any of the method I have told you in the earlier video. Okay, this is selected. Now we will click on right alignment command. Home tab is already clicked. Now we will click on right alignment. See, the text appears on right side of the page, and also it is right alignment means right side it is on one vertical line. Can you see? So this is called right alignment. And the third time we will change the text into centered alignment. So first I will select the text, right, and I will click on centered. Next, second one is centered alignment, or I can use also shortcut key like Control plus E. See, the text appears as centered alignment. The text appears in the center of the page, and it is centered alignment, means the text are centrally aligned, not left aligned, not right aligned. It is centrally aligned. So this is called centered alignment. The last one is justified alignment. To check the justified alignment, you have to type a dense paragraph like this. See, here text are left aligned but not in right aligned. So first I will select the text. Okay. To select all the text of a document, you can also use Control plus A. Okay. Now I will click justified alignment. The last one is justified. See, the text aligned on both sides, left side also and right side also. Okay, usually you can see on your textbook. Okay, your textbook are published in this way, justified alignment. Okay, so I have said you this is most useful alignment. So these are the 4 alignment you can use when you type your poem or any kind of letters document, then you can use this. Okay, now the next topic is mini toolbar. The mini toolbar contains commonly used formatting command of home tab. Okay, used to make quick change in the document. होम टैब के अंदर जो मोस्ट कॉमनली यूज फॉर्मेटिंग कमांड्स होते हैं, लाइक टू चेंज फॉन्ट स्टाइल, चेंज फॉन्ट साइज, फॉन्ट कलर एक्सेट्रा, तो ये आप मिनी टूल बार के थ्रू भी चेंज कर सकते हैं और ये अपने डॉक्यूमेंट में क्विक चेंज करने के लिए यूज़ किए जाते हैं. कैसे यूज करते हैं ये मैं अभी आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल नो द मेथड्स ऑफ अप्लाइंग कमांड. बहुत सारे तरीक़ों से हम कमांड को अप्लाई कर सकते हैं अपने टेक्स्ट के ऊपर. फर्स्ट बाय यूजिंग टूल्स ऑन टूल बार, जो कि हम यूजुअली करते हैं. फर्स्ट वी सेलेक्ट द टेक्स्ट एंड देन वी क्लिक दैट कमांड. ओके, जो टूल बार पे अपीयर होते हैं. नाउ द सेकेंड वन बाय शॉर्टकट की. अगर हमें उस कमांड का शॉर्टकट की याद है तो हम कीबोर्ड से थ्रू शॉर्टकट की यूज़ करके भी चेंज कर सकते हैं. थर्ड वन बाय कंटेक्स्ट मेन्यू. कंटेक्स्ट मेन्यू का मतलब है हमें किसी टेक्स्ट में अगर चेंज करना हो तो हम उस टेक्स्ट को पॉइंट करके माउस के राइट बटन को क्लिक करेंगे तो एक कंटेक्स्ट मेन्यू अपीयर होता है, उसके थ्रू भी हम कमांड अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, जो अभी हम देखेंगे. एंड द फोर्थ वन इज़ बाय मिनी टूल बार, जो कि हमारा टॉपिक भी है. तो हम वन बाय वन सारे मेथड्स अप्लाई करते हैं अपने टेक्स्ट के ऊपर. सी क्लास, I want to place the word introduction in the center of the page because it's a title. So I can use centered alignment tool like this. Okay, or we can use also shortcut key like Control plus E. Okay, in same way we can change the font style of the word introduction by first selecting it. And now see, a transparent rectangular appears just above this. This is called mini toolbar. Through this I can also change the font style of this word, like click here and you can, okay, or I can change this by also context menu. First select that word and click right mouse button. See, this is called context menu. Through this I can also change font style or font size. Okay, so these all are the four ways by which we can apply command on our text. So class, this is the practical for this class. In next class we will learn some more topics. So goodbye for the